So I'm going to show you on how to use HelloTalk. To start, open HelloTalk, and then the first thing that you will see is the home page. So in here we have the different buttons. So we have all courses, play, translate, and then we have the more button. So we could also see the other categories. In here we could also see the different messages. So let's try to open HelloTalk Assistant. So in here, you can send a message. Let's go back and then let's visit other tabs. Tap Connect. So in here, you would see the different people. And then how about the Moments tab? So the Moments tab shows the different posts of the different users. And then how about the Voice Room tab? So in here, you will see the different types of voice rooms such as Musical Jam, Daily Chatter, Make Friends, and the others. And lastly, we have the Me or the Profile tab. So in here, you will see the different settings related to your profile. And that's it. So that's the quick guide on how to use HelloTalk.